Compressible Flow tutorial number 19. The pressure, temperature and velocity before a normal shock wave are 80 kPa, 278 Kelvin and 900 meter per second. Calculate the M1, M2, P2, T2 and ρ2 by using the basic equation and the normal shock table. So here I will only show you the calculation for basic equation because this question is totally same with the previous tutorial question, and you could refer previous video to answer by using if you want to solve it by using the normal shock table. So to calculate the Mach number before the shock wave, we use this equation V over C, and speed of sound is third kRt, and we could get 2.693. And to get the Mach number after the shock wave, we use this equation. We get it is 0.246. Then we need to set this value. Then we could get the value of Mach number after the shock wave is equal to 0.495. By using this equation, so we could get the ratio of P2 over P1, which is equal to 8.2942907. Then we could calculate the value of pressure after the shock wave as 663.5 kilopascal. To calculate the temperature after the shock wave, we start with this equation, the ratio of T2 over T1, and it will give us 2.335452825. We multiply with 278, the temperature in Kelvin for condition before the shock wave. Then we get the temperature after the shock wave here as 649.26 Kelvin. We could calculate the density after the shock wave by using P over RT, and it is equal for this condition is 3.561 kilogram per meter cube.